Well, you do not need the UPC/EIN. You do not need that on your product to be able to ship it to Amazon's warehouse, because Amazon does not use a UPC/EIN. It uses its own internal barcoding system, which is called a FNSKU, which stands for Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit. All right. So you don't need to put it on your packaging at all, because once you book your product into Amazon, you will be assigned an FNSKU, and it's that FNSKU that you put onto all of your products. Now, if you're selling on anywhere outside of Australia, that's probably the easiest way to think about it, anywhere outside of Oz, then you can get Amazon to put those labels on for you, and it'll cost you about 20 cents to get the label put onto your product for you, and you need to have it put on. In Australia, that service isn't available yet. It will be soon, but not yet. So you've either got to put it on yourself or get somebody like Richard Aston at FBA Prep Australia to do it for you, and Richard will do it for you. And if you're going to use Richard to do it, mention the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. You'll get a 10% discount. So that's kind of cool too. And Richard's one of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. That's why he gives us that discount. So you don't need it on your product at all. You just use your UPC barcode to actually get your product set up, and then once it's set up on the Amazon infrastructure, you don't need it again. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.